This is an effective video for anyone wanting to choose the right programming language career. This video shows you the most demanded programming languages for many of the most common use cases, including web development, mobile development, game development, and so on. Before start the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's move on to the video. The first one is JavaScript. JavaScript is the most popular language according to Stack Overflow's annual survey. It is impossible to do software development these days without using JavaScript. Along with HTML and CSS, JavaScript is essential to front-end web development. JavaScript is used to create interactive web pages and dynamically display content to users. The second one is Swift. Swift is a relatively new programming language released by Apple in 2014. Developers use Swift to build powerful high-performance native iOS, Mac OS, and Linux apps. Developing Swift programming skill is a wise investment for aspiring software engineers. The third one is Python. Python is the most user-friendly programming language. Python code is neat, reliable, and well-structured. Python-based web development framework like Django and Flask has been gained more and more popularity. The fourth one is Java. Java is a general-purpose language has been a mainstay in the world of computer programming for more than 20 years. The key to its popularity has been its write once and run anywhere. This means Java is highly cross-platform compatible. Java is also the basis for the Android operating system. The last one is C++. C++ is the highly efficient and flexible language first created back in 1985. It has remained in high demand due to its performance, reliability, and variety of contexts you can use it on. A career with C++ typically involves developing desktop applications, especially for performance-intensive tasks. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the video and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you.